How pollinators help feed the world. Did you know that the buzzing of a bee or the flutter of a butterfly is directly linked to the food on your plate? Pollinators are essential for a healthy planet and a secure food supply. Let's explore how these tiny creatures play a massive role in feeding the world. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male part of a flower, the stamen, to the female part, the pistil. This process is crucial for fertilization and the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without pollination, many plants wouldn't be able to reproduce. Pollinators, like bees, butterflies, birds, and even bats, help facilitate this transfer. They visit flowers in search of nectar or pollen, inadvertently carrying pollen grains from one flower to another. This simple act is the foundation of much of our food supply. A significant portion of the world's food crops relies on animal pollination. Think about apples, almonds, blueberries, and even chocolate. These crops depend on pollinators to produce the fruits and seeds we consume. Without pollinators, yields of these crops would drastically decrease. This would lead to food shortages and higher prices, impacting food security worldwide. The economic value of pollination is estimated to be in the billions of dollars annually. Unfortunately, pollinator populations are declining globally due to habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases. This decline poses a serious threat to our food supply and the health of our ecosystems. We need to take action to protect these vital creatures. Habitat loss occurs when natural areas are converted into agricultural land or urban developments. Pesticides can directly harm pollinators, while climate change disrupts their natural cycles. Diseases can also weaken and decimate pollinator populations. Gardeners can play a crucial role in supporting pollinator populations. By creating pollinator-friendly gardens, we can provide food and shelter for these essential creatures. Small actions can make a big difference. Plant a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year to provide a continuous source of nectar and pollen. Choose native plants whenever possible, as they are best adapted to local pollinators. Avoid using pesticides, especially those that are harmful to bees and butterflies. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is easier than you might think. Start by choosing a sunny location with well-drained soil. Select a variety of plants with different colors, shapes, and sizes to attract a diverse range of pollinators. Include plants like lavender, bee balm, coneflowers, and sunflowers. These plants are known to attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Provide a source of water, such as a shallow dish with pebbles, for pollinators to drink from. Pesticides can be extremely harmful to pollinators, even those labeled as bee-friendly. Consider using organic gardening methods to control pests and diseases. Encourage natural predators, such as ladybugs and lacewings, to help keep pests in check. If you must use pesticides, choose products that are less toxic to pollinators and apply them in the evening when pollinators are less active. Always read and follow the label instructions carefully. Consider alternatives like insecticidal soap or horticultural oil. Supporting local beekeepers is another great way to help pollinators. Beekeepers play a vital role in maintaining healthy bee populations and providing pollination services to farmers. Buy local honey and beeswax products to support their efforts. You can also consider hosting a beehive in your backyard if local regulations allow. Beekeeping can be a rewarding hobby and a great way to contribute to pollinator conservation. Connect with local beekeeping associations for guidance and support. One of the most important things we can do is to educate others about the importance of pollinators. Share your knowledge with friends, family, and neighbors. Encourage them to create pollinator-friendly gardens and to support pollinator conservation efforts. Organize workshops or presentations on pollinator conservation. Share information on social media and in your community. By raising awareness, we can inspire others to take action and protect these vital creatures. The future of food security depends on our ability to protect and support pollinator populations. By taking action in our gardens and communities, we can help ensure that these essential creatures continue to thrive. Let's work together to create a world where pollinators and people can flourish. Protecting pollinators is not just about saving bees and butterflies. It's about safeguarding our food supply and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. Every small action counts, and together we can make a big difference. Ready to make a difference? Start by planting just one pollinator-friendly plant in your garden this week. Then, share this video with 3 friends and encourage them to do the same. Visit our website, link in the description, for a list of pollinator-friendly plants and resources on how to create a thriving pollinator garden. Let's work together to ensure a future where pollinators thrive and our food supply is secure. Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://lifeandwork.blog/ Comment below.